Do you ever wake up feeling like your body is stiff and creaky, as if your muscles are stuck in a permanent state of tension? Or maybe, after a long day of sitting at a desk or standing on your feet, you notice your joints feeling tighter than usual. If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. As we age, or as a result of poor posture and inactivity, our muscles and joints naturally lose flexibility, which can lead to discomfort and even injury. But what if you could do something simple, right at home, to improve your flexibility, relieve stiffness, and feel more mobile throughout the day? The problem: stiffness and tension holding you back. Stiffness can happen for several reasons, whether from sitting too long, poor posture, or even a lack of physical activity. Over time, these habits cause muscles to tighten and joints to become less fluid, leading to limited range of motion, difficulty moving freely without pain or discomfort. Muscle tension, constant tightness in the shoulders, lower back, or hips. Increased risk of injury. Without flexibility, your muscles are more prone to strains and sprains. The secret solution: simple stretches to restore flexibility. The good news is that you don't need a fancy gym membership or special equipment to regain flexibility. A few simple stretches can make a huge difference in loosening up your muscles and improving your overall mobility. Here are a few easy stretches you can try at home to help relieve stiffness and improve flexibility. Standing forward bend. This stretch targets your hamstrings, lower back, and calves. Stand tall, feet hip-width apart, and slowly hinge at your hips, reaching your hands towards the floor. Hold for 30 seconds to feel a deep stretch in your back and legs. Cat-cow stretch. Great for your spine and neck. Get on your hands and knees. Alternate between arching your back towards the ceiling cat and dipping it towards the floor cow, lifting your head and chest. This movement helps relieve tension in the back and neck. Hip flexor stretch. Sitting or standing for long periods can tighten your hip flexors. To stretch them, step 1 foot forward into a lunge, keeping the back leg straight and the back heel off the floor. You'll feel the stretch in the front of your hip. Hold for 30 seconds. Seated spinal twist. Sit tall in a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Place your right hand on the back of your chair, twist your torso to the right, and hold for 20 seconds. Repeat on the other side. This stretch helps relieve stiffness in the back and improves spinal mobility. Child's pose. A relaxing stretch for your lower back, hips, and shoulders. Kneel on the floor with your knees apart. Reach your arms forward and lower your chest toward the floor. Hold for 30 seconds to release any tightness in your back and shoulders.